Welcome back, nature enthusiasts, to another thrilling chapter in the Osprey Family Chronicles. Today, we're about to witness a momentous occasion. The youngest chick is gearing up for its maiden flight. Join us as we dive into the world of these magnificent raptors, exploring their breathtaking practice flights,
Here comes the
daring
good
dives,
one.
and heart-pounding chases with the notorious kingbirds.
Oh, he left.
If you've been
Oh my
following our
God.
series, you know that this Osprey family has captivated our hearts with their incredible journey. From hatching to fledging, we've been there every step of the way. And now, as the youngest member spreads its wings for the first time, get ready for a spectacle of aerial prowess and natural beauty. So, buckle up, nature lovers. It's time to soar with the Osprey family as they navigate the skies, showcasing the remarkable skills they've honed over the weeks. Will the fledgling successfully master the art of flight, or will it face the challenges of the air? Stay tuned to find out in this exciting continuation of our Osprey Family series. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss a moment of this incredible wildlife saga. Let's embark on this adventure together. The sky's the limit for the Osprey family. As the first light of dawn graces the tranquil lake, a silent spectacle unfolds. Watch as the peaceful morning is disrupted by the arrival of a majestic blue heron, drawn to the water's edge. Little does it know that a guardian of the lake is about to take to the skies. In a burst of energy, the parent osprey ascends into the heavens. With talons wide open, it charges towards the unsuspecting blue heron, a breathtaking display of territorial prowess. The air crackles with intensity as the osprey asserts its dominance. Caught off guard, the blue heron leaps into the air, a sudden burst of wings against the morning sky. Startled and wary, it attempts a hasty escape, seeking refuge from the territorial aviator above. The lake, once a haven of tranquility, echoes with the flapping of wings and the urgency of survival. As the blue heron reluctantly abandons the lake, we're left to marvel at the intricate dance of nature, where survival and dominance collide in the delicate balance of the wild. Join me as we continue to uncover the untold stories of the natural world, one captivating moment at a time. The youngest osprey chick musters the courage to join its sibling on a lofty tree branch. The air is filled with anticipation as the fledgling, fueled by the desire for companionship, takes its chance to land beside its perched brother or sister. With wings stretched wide, the youngest chick glides through the air, eyes fixed on the coveted branch. Yet, the timing seems to be just a tad off, and alas, the perch remains vacant. Undeterred, the determined chick readjusts its course, a symbol of persistence in the face of youthful uncertainty. In a beautiful twist of fate, the youngest chick redirects its efforts toward the familiar embrace of the nest. In the world of the Osprey family, adventure beckons as the chicks venture beyond the nest. Today, as the nest sits empty, the male osprey returns with a bountiful fish. Watch as he gracefully takes the prize to a nearby wood, showcasing the dynamics of survival and the constant ebb and flow of life in the wild. Amidst the vast expanse, one adventurous osprey chick calls out from a distance, drawing attention to the nest. In response, the male osprey, clutching a prized fish, gracefully follows the chick back to the nest. The parent hands over the fish to the young chick. The chick, driven by a hidden instinct, chooses not to feast in the familiar confines of the nest. Instead, it clutches the fish and ventures into the woods. As the sun arcs across the sky, the osprey chicks seize the day with boundless energy. Witness the spectacle as they dedicate themselves to a day of practice, flight, daring dives, and a thrilling game of dodging relentless kingbirds. The young ones hone their skills under the watchful gaze of the wild, a testament to the relentless spirit of nature's fledgling aviators. And so concludes another day in the extraordinary lives of the Osprey family. From the youngest chick's daring attempts to join its sibling on a tree branch to the mysterious venture into the woods with a prized fish, and the thrilling day-long training session in flight, diving, and evading kingbirds, each moment has been a captivating chapter in their unfolding story. Nature's script is unpredictable, and as we've witnessed today, the Osprey family continues to surprise us with their resilience, independence, and the unspoken bonds that tie them together. If you found yourself enchanted by their aerial acrobatics and family dynamics, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more mesmerizing glimpses into the untamed world of our feathered friends. Join us on the next leg of this incredible journey, as we continue to follow the Osprey family through the highs and lows of life in the wild. Until then, nature enthusiasts, keep your eyes on the skies, and may your days be filled with the magic of the great outdoors. Happy birdwatching!